In Western Egypt, the White Desert offers a landscape of surreal beauty. Known as Sahara El Beida, this area features chalk rock formations, sculpted by sandstorms over millennia. The formations take on whimsical shapes, some resembling animals, mushrooms, or icebergs, set against the stark, white desert floor. This natural art gallery changes its character as the day progresses, with the colors shifting from pure white to soft pinks and oranges during sunset. The White Desert is part of the Farafra Depression, a unique geological region with a rich fossil record, revealing the area's past as a seabed.